Abusia for Nyame Show Bibia. Aha, aye Ghana Sem TV. Your best friend say, must subscribe to the channel and I'm from my dream chamber. I will comment section. Turn on the notifications. Send a anytime be a video of this kind. You'll be the first person.
And I'm telling you, said the regional minister no nyaje. D0ne why was Ashanti memwa. O catch him second phase 2. Regional minister Obaye or Sheso. As at 7th January 2025. MPP near handing over to the NDC no. Now contract our site omu bojuma gidi. I have the videos here. I can give it to your producer. As at 7th January 2025. MPP free so. Na contractor was me say na contractor was site or yes from interchange. As at 7th January 2025. Unim the ultra modern edifice of Minerals Commission. It's Lancaster. You meboa omombe commission omo commission MPP ne nana do dankwa ekufuado as at 7th January. Oh, you better keep quiet. You better keep quiet. You better keep quiet.
Maybe I also rejoin that.
Oh, dear now unye komu
24 after 3. The platform na Malam, let there be peace.
Your original minister omon humodi ye kana obe didi ukruma. Dear why? Dr. Amoakohene then oba why? And me kwati ya osikeje osi crop from market. I am telling you, so we say crop from market mo ya me say bo contractor ni din. Contractor ho she ni ho omoko ho antis pictures and omoko try. So I say I'm telling you, crop from market obi afre contractor bi en ho. So mo say contractor bi wo ho na oye adwuma bo contractor ni din. Jabrante bi ye a friend saying program bi wo krom ha. Oso wo je ohudi a body. But contractor na oye crew from marketing di. So I say, ebio oh malami sa abotro. Enyame no na di nkomo. So I say, ebio osebo somche because of presidential villa. I am credited for with a little intelligence.
Na because of more.
No crack. You how? Mr. Regional Minister, oh yeah, you. Oh yeah, she. Etina who bisa ne said D0ne why ye. D0ne why ya. Omuntumi nka ho asem no. D0ne why ye. Because this NDC communicator ba kokra asama kan say the why and say oko prapra so full interchange na say. Can you imagine?
Environmental
I am telling you, sir, regional minister no me say why bibi o meka. And I'm telling you, sir, me na neje me say my tour region ni mu. My tour region ni mu sa. Regional minister D0ne why? Me ami ni apani eye Zuba. Onu grade metimi aka say na nyame adom o make sure say Kumasi betinti on in promo and the krame so atesi band mo ye o yes man. Regional minister D0ne Simon Semensa under the supervision Ashanti region enya over 1,800 kilometers of Ashanti region. And also in the history of Ashanti, no government since independence and they build the hospitals in the history of Ashanti. Hey. Tell me, friends, party ben about why friends hospitals chair na Kufuado. And na me no kasi. Oko aya twema kwa my friend baby chede. Adodan kwa Kufuado si hospitals wo. And na oko aya drobonso a adodan kwa Kufuado si hospital wo. Oko aya anomangia osibi wo. Oko aya friends saying sabronuma osibi wo. And agenda 111 you can name them. Regional Minister Biden was supervising hospitals ben what me wa mama ye Ashanti regional. The yempo ya commission no mfani panko musimo fanko. And you are telling me sir Regional Minister D0ne why? Regional Minister D0ne why? Me say me nyamba wo muso ye. Na dede na musori ama betre radio and ye board Dr. Amoakohene na baso D0ne why? Me say D0ne why? Debi metra hai makacho say me super my core region mu nyinezi. I know every project and Kufuado ye in Ashanti region. Regional Minister no buy so why project be and come me nanti me hu. Even yesterday me nanti eko baby. What D0ne Regional Minister no why? And you see a time no. And you see a time so what I say. But these guys omu preach wo krom ha and Regional Minister oba D0ne why? Se ka wa ya ka wo ye bisa wo no e ka wotumi bobo ni nyina. But onye ye nti wo hu twa na wo twefa wo. And wakoye lake resort of bois bibie no. Beso obua gino ho de na ko park and say okodi omoya festival Ashanti Fest and na na park and outside the say ko presidential obua. These guys in kontompo so that say in kontompo And I am here. Ayawo, na yawo de.
You hear the price of goods.
Meba, ayawo na utna he na da kwa soja. Na wo ne kasem. Ono agitum se Kufuado ye akwan no under the supervision of Honorable Simon Osimhen.
No ye kwabre de na meka say.
Kwabre.
Ye boss.
And Homa say. And you nana da kwa wo di ho adanse. Wo ofi Ashanti Achimbogu. Mebwa. Mo any gaso, free gaso kwa Ashanti Achimbogu wane ye. Free eye Bompata Junction. Eko Krofa. Eko kosi Jansa. Wane ye sa akwan no. Free Amantinaman Junction. Eko kosi eye Efidiasi Asokore. Wane ye sa akwan no. What are you talking about? Regional Minister Yera Simon Osimhen former. Unimejuma Obama Asante.
Prices of goods and services.
Say, wakotena radio so ni ebisa na say. Oka say branding channel ho. Na unimade kwa oka. Unimide na oka. She adaya wudwa na Kufuado sima eye the churches. Ewo eye RCC nje ho. Nice edifice. And una no say you come there, you can see. Why na kaja 4x1?
Mama, warning disappointing that if you misbehave, you hang you.
Which Mama? The current president?
Yeah.
You hang you. There is no cross at Jubilee House. You cannot hang anybody. There is no cross at Jubilee. Someone who came, you see, sometimes I have come to understand that President Mahama, when he lost power, has learnt a lot and has seen how to deal with Ghanaians and how to make Ghanaians happy. Example with Galamsey issue, because if in any serious country, President Mahama should be in hot soups now because of their comments with his appointees they made in opposition. But you see, they've come to understand how to relate it with Ghanaians, because yes, they told Ghana, he told us that when there, then so he understands how to deal with Ghanaians, and when he's even pushing his thing, they will be okay. Because you came in, your Attorney General has entered a nolly procedure and cleared how many people? Ato Forsen, Sagleme, Collins Dauda, Ofoswan Pofo, and the rest. And today you are telling us that you, the clearing agent, is telling us that issues 10 warning on corruption to ministers. You came in, people had corruption matters on their head. You use your Attorney General as clearing agent and cleared all of them. Look at wholesome amount of money in Sagleme housing project and the rest. You've cleared all of them, and today you are telling us to believe you that you've placed a cross at Jubilee House and then you hang them on it. Please, enough of the antics and the PR. Ghanaians have now come to understand that these were all just promises you made. And you see, he still thinks he's still campaigning. Sometimes that is how I see it too. President Mahama and his appointees still thinks they are still campaigning for power in the next 2 months. We are done with election, and they have 4 years to develop this country. Issues 10 warning, and then you hang hang who? You hang them and you were clearing people. When you just came to power, you didn't even wait for 3 months, and you started clearing them. It tells us the kind of work you want to do. So for me, I do not even believe this one bit, because if truly you want to clear, you want to hang them on the cross when they enter corruption activities, then once the issue, the Attorney General came and they are docket on this issue, he would have continued to the latter, and then the court will say that, we are done.
Even knowing too well that there is no merit in the case.
There is no merit in Sagleme. There is no merit in which of them. The cases listed over here, we have a whole Kessler, so Foster and Richard Jakpa, Dr. Stephen Oponi and Sedu Agongo Cocoa Board fertilizer scandal. 271 million loss to Cocoa Board. Samuel Poswan Pofu and Anthony Kweku Boahen. Dr. Johnson
that also a corruption issue.
No, this I'm talking about issues that you came to meet.
We are talking about things that that Ghana lost money.
Oh no, the Cocoa Board and the rest.
And the
no, I'm listing this. I'm just listing issues he came to meet, and he has turned himself into.
But you had 8 years to prosecute some of these cases.
No problem. I do not have problem with that. All I'm saying is that someone, who comes to equity, must come with clean hands. You came in government, and not less than 2 months, you started clearing people. Some of corruption issues. Today, you cannot come and stand here and tell us that you hang them at Jubilee House on a cross. He does not have any cross at Jubilee House to hang anybody. Clearly, the NDC has understood how to deal with Ghanaians, and they are doing it perfectly. And that is why his communication minister will come and tell us that by his hard work, he has been able to do what on what, and then it will come and tell us that, oh, it is a package that the company is running. They have come to understand Ghanaians, and then they know how to deal with Ghanaians, and that is exactly what they are doing.
But don't you think that, okay, 11 months into office, that there will not be any major scandal?
They have not 11 months.
Yes.
Just 11 months.
But you people, the last...
When you started,
please,
scandals.
list them in our first year. List them.
I am
sitting here.
I should list the scandal.
In our first year,
I should list the scandal. Even if not your first year, I should list the scandal.
Oh,
I should list the scandal.
We are
that
talking about
happen.
11 months. List them
I
for
should
me.
list your scandals.
In 2017, list any one scandal for me in 2017.
I said I should list your scandals.
A lot too.
Hey, you people, your scandals.
2017.
Your scandal first 4 years.
Yeah.
Please, there is no scandal.
In 4 years, your 4 years.
I'm not talking about. Please, we are not talking about 4 years. Calm down.
It's not the first time.
Yeah, I'm only talking about
the first year.
First year, 2017. What he wrote out is major free SHS policy. First, you see, nobody under the sun in Ghana can complain about President Akufo-Addo's. In fact, even first term.
It's not true.
And even to talk about first year.
That is not true.
His first year.
You say first term.
Nobody can complain about how he handled the country in his first 4 years.
But there were
excellently well.
Who told you?
There were major
scandals
in the first year.
I've forgotten of the American scandal.
2017.
The first year.
I cannot sit here, or I do not have that data of any first year. You can list about the others and what have you. But what I'm saying is that...
Do you know about the bus contamination?
No problem. I'm saying that let me make my point. Me personally sitting here, I don't have any data. What I'm still saying is that President Mahama does not have that power, that right to come and tell us you hang people when he turned himself into a clearing agent. Simple as that.
Onye there, it gives them even the confidence. Nyima de rukakaye. Omo an idea where you should learn. Omo confidence. Omo inhu ade rukakaye. It helps you to manage your time. It helps you to manage your time. Oh, okay. Hey, what's your spend 15 minutes? Hey, what's your spend 10 minutes? We are answering one question from each section. So time management is easy. But it means president. No, abakade. Oh, ya po. Mentasi. Mufama no pass exam to no do. This is ya wo fail in it not tase. Tisha ya mufama no wo kona we ko fail ni da no president no tase. Ananya dem no ti. Sisi ade ndi tifo no ho akoma to won yem. Nya dem na wo pede Ghana addition no ya. But man kan kasi abatan awofo enuanom na adofo. What's it? Prosperity is in the womb of time. Prosperity. Bobo Ghana. The other thing is that I thought me a teacher into me teacher for Mr. Maram Ponyada me affiliated to MPP. In MPP, Nyaman worry your teaching section one sector one. Na yampe wasemo. Na yampe wasem. MPP Nyaman worry your secondary school. What the gun education there? Na teacher for akuma nto yemo. Na teacher for akuma nto ye. In there, say my colleagues are home. They are all complaining. Every Thursday or every Wednesday, as teachers or the Wokoshia, wondering how to teach the children. New teaching methods, which is compulsory, or the teacher in Biako. Teacher for them pedamadeno. Teacher for them pedamadeno. Extra classes are teacher for 1 year. What did you one gominka can't what the bombra? I could want to not be able to check the maddening in name. Just imagine, me and Kubi or a physics teacher. na faces mmofama no hu na okire no gini sika na nankasa ne party MPP wa ba no we bu twedam ade ne mo nkira ade mo nkira mmofama na ade won gisika no befu damade ni nyina abana no original da bo mmofama na wofu o se ne nyu bia no wo sika obukwekutia 500,000 da won nkira na ba physics be dey bi o ti obotumi de sua abatan mpo we hu ne dam awofunu mpo we hu ne dam na mmofama na zo mpo we hu ne dam the whole of the term ya ba chadia na what the teachers motivation what's abani no botia mama awofunu mpo ntua abani no botia teachers motivation na what the aba wo ba cha teacher nyi ekofie kita 150 series na teacher fu hu buefu na abata no churu cha abani na adapai na abata no so wore shep papai akofode no wore yano nkankam na po why nenwa de eagle eye no gina teacher fu nya no do na po na asama ya mpa nyina teacher fu ka ho ko wa ma teacher fu no kwan mama opede ye ne yanye na abata wo Ghana waso wompe obotuma hwe won baby no wakoto aba ma NDC no onye ready do onye teacher fu boko NDC onye ready crowd onye teacher fu boko akotia na olu ntia mfa amahwan nti se wo begige no abata no wa NDC is satisfied cause onye ready there obochi on salary bi papa bi di amaho nti obi ama no bra wo ho olubo via abata no papa teacher fu ho na aba ne NDC wa amma teacher fu no kwan head teachers no kwan wo be mia wo fu no papa we hu na mo ma so yedin medema no rebesi no hwe moro kodo wo sisi ano teacher for they are gaining their independence back irrespective of what NDC is doing to them no teacher for no wo pen there NDC aban no obeja won to them obeja won na insisi no oda kwabata na hondo nti going forward no abatan bonhune de enka no akufado na education na obeye free na ohianyi wa bia na batum ko akwahye papa na ahoroba no takrade na mofam ehiafo won baby notness na ehiafo won baby na wada akufado ni ti na wada sron na odi na atem no da membre na abese no ko tisi apa ye hianya bonhude ye hianyi ne ba ontum nkomfant pimi hobi na wakwatete won wo ho prempe na wonya hore wokwahye ho na wodwene the education is free na mo pe bia wo ye Ghana ho da membre na abese no da membre na abese ende for your child to go to school and pass ebe brem papa because teachers remiao no na bani remiao. Now we'll go back to the era where only few people can go to school and excel. I mean here for no one is kafumba na wodubu da mo han na akufado na obaye obia ye the same obia anya obia na wati Ghana ho na sabi iji woti wi na keka nkwachasam da membre na abese no ko nta abata na wonyi sika nhona wo sika na Ghana fu nyinara bebi aye dunyin the vote abana yakwa ekoto enu no hunsunsuando no ekor na wa start orba no we are going back to the era where isikafomba no no obotum wa akọ school ye hiahia you will still come back to ground zero ama what should be we pi no me mamoto makane.
Oh, what Marcus? That's it, Mr. Marcus. Me pan show ya was no me show repost like it. Me. What Marcus? Me pan show focus me ba e drew also. And they are restricted me gifting, so you can't even gift. In the measure also another modern na like it na repost me. Before sana me focus.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are discussing the current happenings. A war. Why ke phone call our mokocho BC a fine senior.
Oh, made it for more than 3 hours. So I know what you guys are listening to.
Okay.
I've been down there listening to everybody.
Okay. Yeah, all because right. We have a guest coming in and see me say answer a guest but no be at me akase binti pacho kasane yonko.
All right, me that's it. Me, I'm speaking from the